Alright, so I have this 2009, like I said, MacBook Pro, the A1278. Just bought it so I can start doing some other editing videos, and the battery is having problems. If you can see that, it'll flash from green to orange. Yeah, there it goes. And I tried opening up and taking out the battery and putting it back in and resetting doing a bunch of different resets that people have been mentioning, but none of that is working. And right now on there is now telling me to replace it. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace that battery there. And I also have some other issues with the screen, which now it's not showing. So I'll show you guys that later. Maybe it'll start. Maybe I'll close and open it. Oh, it's not doing it now. Well, now it's doing something else. I've never seen that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to change that battery right now. Alright, so first thing you want to do is unplug it and make sure it's not powering on. So hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Alright, so I bought this on Amazon for about, I think, like 18 bucks or less. So hopefully it fits and it's a good match. I also bought some foot pads for right there. So this set actually came with screwdrivers. Have all, hopefully, yep, they do fit. Doesn't come with any extra screws though. Alright, then you want to take out the back cover. It's actually pretty easy to change. There's the battery pack right there. Let's see if I can unplug it. So you want to unplug this right here. It's to the battery pack. And then you have two screws right here and right over there. Two triangle, well, 3-prong screws. The long one goes on the right. Short one goes back on the left. It just pulls out like that. Let's see. Do see one difference. Looks like the cord is a lot longer on this new one. It's a generic one, so hopefully it's able to fit and plug in right. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. got it in. Just gotta try and tuck the cord. Hopefully it doesn't damage anything. Alright. So it's in there now. Now I just gotta screw back in the screws, and hopefully that was the issue with it and not something else. Something is stopping that one. Make sure the holes are aligning right. Doesn't look like they are. Take this one out first. Alright, so I was actually able to get that screw in. Just had to push it up a little bit down here. It was too close to the bottom. And that's why it took me a while. And I did accidentally rip off the pull tab. Yeah, big fingers like me, it's hard to hold on to these small tools. And actually, this just doesn't seem like it's aligning perfectly, but as long as I can get the screw in somewhat, should be fine. And it is. Alright, so was able to get both screws back in, and this cord right here is a little long. It's sticking out a little bit. So hopefully you guys find a better company that has a better battery, or maybe just buy the actual original battery, which is actually way too much for this computer that I had here. Wasn't really worth me buying a brand new Apple battery. So then you want to put the back cover back on as such. And these long screws, I have 3 of them. I think you should have 4. Like I said about this used. So the long screws go to the back. So should be right there. And the other screws come to the smaller screws come to the sides and front. We'll go ahead and put on these foot pedals, foot pads, whatever they're called. Bought these for $5 on Amazon. You can get them for like $1 or $2 on eBay. Just didn't feel like waiting. Just want to line the circle up with the holes on here. Right there. So I bought this used online for a pretty good price, I think. Hoping that I'll be able to do some editing on it, so I'm not just doing opening videos, box break videos, and stuff like that. Haven't been able to really edit anything really significant on that my other computer because it's too slow. It's just real choppy and it freezes. Looks way better. So I wasn't able to find that screw, but so I'm missing 2 screws now, so I'll try and probably buy a couple of tiny screws. So let's check and see if this battery actually works without the charger. Not seeing any power. Hopefully I didn't damage those cords. Wow. That's not getting any power. May have to open it back up and see. Unless that battery was dead, I think I might have possibly damaged those cords trying to stuff it in, which was what I was worried about. And my password. Let's see what it says now, because before it either said not charging or so now it's saying that it's calculating time until full. Give it a few seconds, see if I can get the screen to do what it was doing before. It's actually not doing it anymore, so maybe I don't need to replace anything if I can't get it to come on again. 2 hours and 17 minutes until full. I'm gonna unplug it. Well, let's see if the light starts flashing green. It's usually about every 15 seconds. Nope. So yep, it looks like that was my problem. It was just needed the battery to be replaced. Hopefully we'll try unplug it and see if it stays on. Yep, it just had a low battery. That's why it didn't turn on earlier. Shut it down and turn it back on maybe. And I'll show you guys later. Alright, so it's been charging for about 10 minutes. Now we'll see if it's gonna power on without the charger. Looks like it is. See what the battery says. And I'm not sure how good these batteries are. It's at 11%. So, and there goes the screen issue. If you guys know what that is, let me know in the comment section. It'll just start to turn blue and fade out until I move the screen, and then it'll keep doing it. So I'm guessing it's maybe the ribbon cable on the inside there, because it's only when it's in like this position right here. Yeah. So if you guys know anything about that, let me know, and hopefully I can fix that. So yeah, that's how you change the battery. I will do a video on how to fix that issue on the screen once I find out what that issue is. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any questions. And remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button.
Subscribe, motherfucker.